Today I'm going to be telling you guys my favorite weapons of each ammo type. So first we're going to start with sniper, and then go to heavy, and then light, then heavy, then energy, and then finish off we'll go to heirloom weapons from supply drops. So I think my favorite weapon has to be the longbow, just because it just feels really good in someone like in player's hands, and I happen to play on controller, so it just feels really strong.
I'm out of sniper ammo.
It just feels strong because it's competing with these weapons, even though the charge rifle is one of the best weapons in the game because it is hit scan, which is really nice if you're like bad at tracking. So that's it for the sniper. Next up is the R9 for light ammo. I do think the R9 is the best because it just has great tracking. You don't need to be good with it. You can be really good with it. It just matters like how you track and all that stuff. So I would recommend something like a flatline, but that's it for the light. Now we're gonna move on to the heavy, and I want to say a lot of things here, but I think I'm gonna have to say the car, because it's the most like the R9 beside the Bolt, and it just feels really good in a controller player's hand like me. So yeah, that's heavy. It does feel really fast, and like it just feels really good in a controller player's hand like me. Yeah, that's gonna be heavy. Now moving on to energy. You guys might have thought I was gonna pick the Volt here. Actually, I'm gonna pick the Havoc, just because of the turbocharger. If the turbocharger wasn't in the game, I wouldn't have picked Havoc. But it is like my favorite weapon in the energy. I will always pick it up. If like I find a turbocharger and I find a Havoc, I will always pick it up over something that is really good. I'm still gonna pick up a Havoc and close range weapon. That's really good, and it just shreds. And like the damage, how fast it goes, and how much the mag you have is just amazing. With the gold mag on the R9, you only get 27, and you get 36 with the gold mag. Way better than the R9, and I honestly believe it's the best weapon in the game because it just does so much damage. It's amazing. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the energy. Now we move on to this one. You might think I'm going to choose the Spitfire or the G7 or Kraber, but since it is Season 11 and there's no better weapons than the alternator is going to be on top for this one. There will be better heirloom weapons, but I do think that this is just the best weapon in the heirloom section for now. Better weapons. There is basically no recoil. I'm gonna start at the shot there, but I had to go down a tiny bit. The side is there's a tiny bit of recoil, but here is the shotguns. Now I want to go with the Eva, but it did get a downgrade since Season 9, so I am gonna get to the PK now. And with the Purple Volt, this thing is actually insane. So the only thing it's good for is long range strikes. Like I hit someone 40 from like 30 meters away, and I didn't even charge it up all the way. I charged it like super, like fully charged up, and like this, 51 damage from that far.
We should go here.
And he is 26 meters. So I basically did this, and I hit 20. But it did get a nerf since when I did it, which was in Season 8. That's why I rendered 29 instead of 40. I was talking about when I did that in Season 8. But Season 8 is probably the best season. Oblivion, Olympus, all of those good map changers, and it had the Spitfire. But yeah, that's gonna conclude this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.